Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Honda Accord EXL. 2011 Honda Accord EXL, where style meets reliability. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a transmission. This Honda has less than 128,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the 2011 Honda Accord EXL, the perfect blend of style, reliability, and luxury. Powered by a 2.4L i4 engine with 190 horsepower and 162 lb-ft of torque, this beauty delivers smooth performance every time. Loaded with premium features, it includes a power sunroof, ivory leather heated seats, a premium sound system, and a backup camera. The pristine white exterior paired with ivory leather interior exudes sophistication. With under 9,000 miles per year, this car has been pampered and maintained like a prized possession. Enjoy impressive fuel efficiency at 23 mpg city and 34 mpg highway, making every road trip economical and fun. Plus, a clean CARFAX ensures this Accord has a spotless history. Ready to elevate your driving experience? Come test drive this 2011 Honda Accord EXL today and feel like royalty behind the wheel.